Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a layout from the Scrap Room Flavors of the Month kit. This one is just a portion of what you get in the Flavors of the Month kit. Make sure you check out the entire kit down below at the store and the release and all that, and also check out the Facebook group where you can see lots of inspiration and some fun challenges for this month. But this is Echo Park Our Story Matters, and I'm going to play with the sketch for the month, the Jumpstart sketch that we have. But I'll show you a little bit what's in the kit first. The Jumpstart sketch is by Lisa, and she always does some amazing sketches. So every Flavors of the Month kit, you're going to get 2 pieces of cardstock and 3 pieces of pattern paper from that collection. This one, we get some Cartabella cardstock and the color Sky. You get 2 sheets of that, and then you're going to get some beautiful papers. This one's Capturing Moments, like the green, but the cameras is really cute too. This one is Hot Air Balloons, and I'll show you why in a second. I like this side though, the hearts, and then this side is the Hot Air Balloons. And this one is A Flower for You, a beautiful pinstripe, but some beautiful florals on the other side as well. So those are the 3 pattern papers you're going to get in this portion of the Flavors of the Month kit this month at the Scrap Room. You're also going to get 2 sheets of the Echo Park sticker sheet from the sticker book. They're going to vary. I was lucky enough to get the word phrases sticker sheet. Super happy about that. And this other fun one has some great stickers on it. I love sticker books, especially the ones that come in the collection. Sometimes I feel like that's all you need. If you just want to get paper and sticker books, you're set, because you can use other things from your collection or from your stash. But that's what I got. And everybody's going to get some Echo Park brads as well. I got 3 gem brads, so 2 green, 1 pink. Hello. So that's what I got. So we're going to play with the sketch. Let me go find me some photos and start cutting apart some paper. Okay, I have cut things. So I decided on this photo of my son and 2 of my nieces because it was relatively recent and there's a really good story. And since the sketch has a nice chunk spot actually for journaling, I thought I would take advantage. So I took this paper, which is A Flower for You, and I cut a big chunk. I only have 1 photo versus 3. Normally you should, the sketch shows 3, but sketches are adaptive. You can change them to what works for you. So I took a chunk of the stripe, which is The Flower for You, and I took a chunk of Capturing the Moments, which was the cameras, and the backside is the green leafy. Here and here, green leafy, and then I took a chunk of the heart and Hot Air Balloon one, which is Hot Air Balloons is the name of it. I did that with these are 3.5, and this is like almost 4. This is or 3 1/4, and this is like 3 3/4 or something. But I layered all those up. I haven't put them down or anything. I happen to have a really nice sticker for my title, and then since I got all these awesome word stickers in mine, I put a funny story. I'm gonna draw some lines for my journaling. I grabbed, after I did these cuts, there was, some leftover, so I grabbed 2 pieces of just the pink and the blue and put them up, and as well as a sticker that says noteworthy, so just using what I have. And then also the sticker of the 3 Polaroids I thought was perfect. There's 3 of them. It kind of works. And then I was thinking about sprinkling these around, but I might save these for something else because I'm really liking just how simple and clean this looks, and I think we will do some splatters actually. The question is what color splatters? Maybe some blue. I'm trying to think. What do I want to do? This is for my nieces, so we could do pink, and I think I'll use some of my new Color Splash glossy acrylic spray from Shimmers and use this pink. It might be a little too pinky pink, but it'll bring out some of the lighter pink like in the hearts and stuff. So I am gonna get these glued down. I'm gonna get my lines drawn and do my journaling, and then we'll splatter, and that's it. So this sketch is super quick, super simple. It's almost as fast as the Freaky Fast Romance. I'm going to trim off these excess here. But yeah, super quick layout. So make sure you check out the sketch and give it a try. It's super easy. You can adapt it 1, 3. You probably could squeeze a bunch more photos if you had a bunch of small ones on. Super fun. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out the ScrapRoom Facebook group where all the challenges, the sketch, this jumpstart sketch, and there's always a throwback sketch. So check that out. That's another challenge you can enter and do a sketch. So this sketch also lends to having a lot left over. I chose to grab a white piece of cardstock from my stash, and I got one of the blue cardstocks that came in my kit. So I still have a full 12 by 12 blue cardstock left. So I got it, and then I matted my photo on the gut blue. So I do have that as well. That is, the white is not in the kit, just the blue is. But even on the blue, it looks super cute. Either way, I'm rambling. Enjoy checking out the sketch yourself. I definitely think you should give it a try. And I appreciate you all. We'll see you next time. Bye.